Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming prerequisites. You have a Roblox account, enough Robux, and game access. Once that's done, search the game or catalog name that lists the Chrome Jetpack. This pinpoints where you'll obtain it. Make sure you meet any level, quest, or membership requirements because many special items are gated. Then, join the server or open the item page immediately so you can follow the purchase or unlock flow in real time and avoid missing limited time availability. Now you perform the core steps, complete the quest, or reach the required level that enables the Chrome Jetpack purchase. Once unlocked, buy directly from the in-game vendor or the Roblox catalog using Robux. Double-check the price and confirm the transaction so you don't overspend. After purchase, go to your avatar editor or the game inventory and equip the jetpack. If the game uses a loadout screen, make sure you assign it before respawning so it appears on your character. Finish by equipping and testing the Chrome Jetpack in a low-risk area so you learn thrust, fuel, and cooldown behavior without dying. Once you confirm it works, practice movement and landing to avoid crashes. If it doesn't appear, log out and back in, verify the item in your inventory and the purchase receipt. Sometimes a quick relog fixes sync issues. If problems persist, contact the game developer or Roblox support and provide the transaction ID so they can reconcile the purchase for you.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.